So Adeline, here specifically, in a company like Micron, when you think about applying all these technologies, ultimately, what's the business goal that you're trying to achieve?
Well, I think for us, it's really about manufacturing consistency. So like what Tim mentioned about this self-aware tool, actually we collect large amount of data out from the tool itself. We're actually able to do 2-to-2 matching based on the data set, not just within a factory, but in all our global footprint in all the different fabs. And particularly, additionally to what we get from the supplier, we also put in our own sensor. I think you all have experienced it through the experience zones, where we look at acoustic sensor. They act like the ears to the machine, where we actually tap for abnormal sound. So, example, like when robot is stretching wafer, you can actually hear it and you can actually see it in the amplitude of the sound wave. That's where we do the detection of anomaly in the tool. Apart from that, we also put in cameras, so that acts like the eyes of the human, where we are able to take the condition within the chambers, even on our products, allow us to catch problem right at the steps.